Double top plates in carpentry are all about making sure your walls hold up the roof and floors without any sagging or shifting. Basically, they keep your whole frame solid and safe. So here's the scoop on how to handle double top plates like a pro. First off, always use 2 layers of top plates when framing walls, because that second plate spreads out the weight from the roof and floors way better than just one. When you're joining walls at corners, the double top plate ties everything together so nothing moves around or gets weak over time. It also helps line up walls that don't meet perfectly at the bottom, giving you a smooth surface to nail the roof trusses into. Nail or screw through both plates and into the studs below to lock everything tight. Make sure your second top plate overlaps joints from the first one by at least 1 stud space. That overlap is key for strength. If you skip the double top plate, your roof load might cause walls to bow or crack, which is a mess you definitely want to avoid. Most building codes actually require double top plates for safety and durability, so don't skip that step unless you want trouble down the line. Lastly, when adding windows or doors, keep the double top plate intact so the load still transfers properly around those openings. One of the biggest mistakes people make with double top plates is not overlapping the joints correctly, which messes up the load distribution and can lead to wall failure. Fix that by always staggering joints at least 1 stud length apart. Another common problem is using only 1 top plate because folks think it saves time or materials, but that just invites sagging and structural issues. Always put on the second plate to keep things strong. The third issue is poor nailing or screwing through the plates into the studs, which makes everything less stable. Grab your nail gun or screws and fasten through both plates straight into the framing studs below to lock it all solid. BigHomeProjects.com is killer for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and get jobs done right. Contractors love it too, because it hooks them up with real clients looking for quality work in their area, making it easier to build a solid reputation and steady business.